I made a set of Wolverine claws that attach to my arm, and I swing my arm and they extend. But they're kind of crappy. The welds are all bubbly and stuff, and I had to put pieces in it to make it work. And on all of the metal matches, it sits really high off my arm. You can see it slides back in like this, but it's got so many problems, like it gets stuck at the top, the welds keep popping off, and nothing's holding it in the out or in position. So here's what I'm planning on doing. Switch out the rails for instead just a thin gap toward the bottom, and then have a piece welded to each of the claws that goes inside it, so the rail is much lower. That'll save space. Then attach to the top, the edge of an elastic band attached about right here. Then have a pulley over here, and then have the other end of that band attached to the middle claw. So when I swing my arm, these will slide out, and it'll stretch the band, and it'll double itself. It'll double over itself as the thing extends, and the claws will be out. And then I'll put two little notches and a spring, so that once the bar passes, these pop up and stop the claws from going back inside. Then I'll have a ring attached to my finger, attached to the two little notches, so that when I pull down with my wrist like that, these go down and they let the claws shoot back in from the stretch of the bands. I think it'll work. I'm pretty excited to build it. I'm not entirely sure about everything, but if anybody has any ideas about it, I would really like to hear. I'll post updates on how they're turning out. I'm very excited about this project. Let me know.